Have you ever woken up feeling like your legs didn't belong to your body? Numb, heavy, and completely drained, even though you barely did anything the day before? That's your nervous system sending a warning. It's getting weaker day by day. But here's the good news. The best breakfast for nerve health after 60 can be the simplest first step to help you regain flexibility, ease leg pain, and boost circulation right from the start of your day. In this video, I'll share with you the top 5 foods to add to your morning routine that can improve nerve function, enhance blood flow, and help prevent leg pain, so you can stay mobile, reduce inflammation, and keep your legs strong and steady all day long. And don't skip a single food, because each one plays a powerful role in helping you maintain long-term leg health after 60. Food 1. Eggs. Starting your day with an egg might be doing more for your nervous system than you realize. Eggs are not only rich in protein, but they're a staple of the best breakfast for nerve health after 60. Especially for older adults, eggs may help reduce early morning foot numbness and leg fatigue, often caused by poor circulation. That's why they're a smart choice for a breakfast for seniors' circulation. What makes eggs so powerful is their high content of choline, a nutrient that helps nerve cells communicate more effectively, maintaining sensory function, balance, and flexibility. According to the U.S. National Institutes of Health, NIH, choline also enhances memory and slows the aging of the nervous system. Eggs also contain vitamins for nerve health like B12 and D, which protect the myelin sheath and help prevent peripheral nerve damage, a common cause of leg pain after 60. Including eggs regularly is one of the easiest ways to create a breakfast to prevent leg pain. You can enjoy them boiled, lightly pan-fried with olive oil, or sunny side up with whole grain toast and greens. Not only delicious, this is one of the simplest anti-inflammatory breakfast ideas for seniors. And if you're already impressed by eggs, the next food will surprise you even more, with its natural ability to boost circulation and protect your nerves. Food 2. Avocado. You might have thought all fats were unhealthy, but avocado is the exception. It's packed with heart and nerve-friendly monounsaturated fats, and is a common feature in many senior-friendly versions of the best breakfast for nerve health after 60. Avocados help maintain nerve function and reduce leg muscle soreness and inflammation in the morning. Avocados also promote blood flow to the limbs, especially the legs, which often suffer from reduced circulation in older adults. That's why many include it as a daily breakfast for seniors' circulation. Spread it on whole grain toast, enjoy it with eggs, or toss it into your morning salad. It's tasty and naturally supports nerve health. Even better, avocados contain plenty of vitamins for nerve health, like vitamin E and folate, which help prevent nerve degeneration and enhance lower body flexibility. Pairing avocado with eggs or leafy greens creates a complete breakfast to prevent leg pain without relying on medication. Now I'm curious, how do you usually include avocado in your breakfast? Sliced, mashed, or blended into a smoothie? Share your go-to recipes in the comments below so others can try your version of these easy anti-inflammatory breakfast ideas. And if you thought avocado was the ultimate breakfast hero, don't stop here. The next food not only protects your brain, it clears the path for healthy blood flow through your legs, giving you that light on your feet, feeling from the moment you get out of bed. Food 3. Blueberries. This tiny fruit is loaded with powerful antioxidants that protect nerve fibers from damage and degeneration, especially as we age. A serving of blueberries in the morning calms the nervous system and makes an excellent part of the best breakfast for nerve health after 60. Some people think that a multivitamin alone is enough to protect their nerves, but that's a common mistake. Fresh foods high in flavonoids, like blueberries, are key to maintaining a consistent, natural source of vitamins for nerve health. Skipping breakfast or replacing it with pastries or fried food not only makes you sluggish, it can worsen leg pain and tingling. Blueberries also support healthy blood flow to your lower body, reducing numbness and swelling. By adding blueberries to oatmeal or smoothies, you're building an easy breakfast for seniors' circulation that's surprisingly powerful. At the same time, You're creating a true breakfast to prevent leg pain that defends against lingering aches. Have you used blueberries in your breakfast before? Comment below with your favorite blueberry recipe and help others explore tasty, simple anti-inflammatory breakfast ideas. And if you want more healthy breakfast ideas for leg strength, check out the playlist Foods and Vitamins for Leg Strength After 60 in the description. It's packed with tips to naturally reduce leg pain and boost your stability. But don't go anywhere, because the next food isn't just about healing. It actually helps rebuild deep nerve damage and ease radiating pain that can reach all the way down your legs. Food 4. Salmon. Salmon isn't just a luxury dish. It's a quiet powerhouse that strengthens your nervous system every day. Each bite delivers dense nutrition to support strong, healthy legs after 60. Salmon is rich in omega-3s, healthy fats that soothe your nerves and reduce muscle stiffness, especially in the lower body. No wonder it's part of so many versions of the best breakfast for nerve health after 60. It also significantly improves blood circulation, vital if you experience cold feet, tingling, or early morning stiffness. When blood flows freely to your legs, you'll feel lighter with every step. That's why many seniors include salmon in their breakfast for seniors' circulation. On top of that, salmon provides high levels of vitamins for nerve health like B6, B12, and D nutrients essential for nerve repair and pain relief. The combination of omega-3s and protein helps regenerate damaged nerve tissue, making salmon one of the most effective foods for nerve repair. Try it lightly pan-seared, roasted with lemon, or paired with greens and boiled eggs. This combination also makes for one of the most popular anti-inflammatory breakfast ideas among seniors, easy to digest and long-lasting in effect. And if you're still watching, comment, "Yes, so I know you're serious about your leg health and that you're truly listening to your body." We're not done yet, because the final food on this list acts like an invisible shield around your nerves, helping you stay steady and confident with every step. Food 5. Spinach. Spinach might seem like just another leafy green, but it's actually the final key to building the best breakfast for nerve health after 60. It delivers magnesium, folate, and vitamin K, 3 essential nutrients for transmitting nerve signals and maintaining flexible, strong blood vessels. Eating leafy greens each morning helps regulate blood flow to your legs, something many seniors forget to prioritize. That's why spinach deserves a permanent spot in your breakfast for seniors' circulation. Even more, spinach's plant compounds form a protective barrier that reduces nerve inflammation and lowers the risk of unexplained cramping or leg pain. If you're looking for a gentle yet powerful way to improve mobility, this is one of the top foods for nerve repair you can choose. Some seniors shy away from greens at breakfast, thinking they're too heavy. But just a quick sauté with garlic, a sprinkle of chia seeds, or a few slices of avocado can turn spinach into one of the tastiest and most supportive anti-inflammatory breakfast ideas you'll ever try. And don't forget, spinach helps your body absorb other vitamins for nerve health more efficiently, amplifying your recovery and making your breakfast to prevent leg pain even more effective. Breakfast isn't just about filling your stomach. It's your first daily opportunity to tell your body, "I'm taking care of you, one step at a time." And if you've made it to food number 5, chances are you're ready to take the next step, stronger, more intentional, and starting from your very first meal. So which of these 5 breakfast foods have you already tried? Or do you have your own go-to recipe for supporting nerve health, boosting circulation, or relieving leg pain? Share it in the comments. Your tip might be exactly what someone else is looking for today. And remember, if you want more powerful foods, vitamins, and natural strategies to keep your legs strong and pain-free after 60, check out our playlist Foods and Vitamins for Leg Strength After 60 right below. It's your daily toolkit to protect and empower your legs for the long run.